Good morning, friends. So I'm back with my new edition of a short YouTube video. Uh, Today I'm going to focus a little bit on reading books. This is a part of that window for 1 hour that you budget out of 24 hours. So the idea is that more you read and practice, you're obviously going to increase your valuation and your credibility in the society. To understand why reading books is important, you can easily search for with a query importance of reading books. You'll get a lot of videos posted by a lot of great people and how they benefit of reading books, and at least one book per week they have been reading, and if you are able to read more books, it's all the more good. So I myself started reading books for the past about 8 years. I'm 76 now, so you can imagine how very late in life I started reading books, not from childhood, of course. So I'll share some of the books that I have from my collection, and this will cover two different domains. One is the self-help book, and collect two samples, and one is a set of two books on business part from great authors. So let me share the books with you. The first book is by Mr. Robin Sharma, a great author who has written this book as a collection of uh, uh, themes from a great book called The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. It's a great book. It is about 100 small chapters taken from the bigger book. Each chapter teaches you something. And I have been a fan of this author very much. The great book by him, 5 AM Club, is also very good, which I have used, read many times, and trying to practice as much as possible. Second book is this Think and Grow Rich. The title will attract you, of course, surely, because the last word called riches. Everybody wants to become rich, monetarily, of course. But rich doesn't mean only monetary richness. Many things. You can be rich in assets, you can be rich in experience, and you can be rich in collection of books in your library, all those stuffs. He describes about 13 to 14 steps to achieve your richness, and within quote richness, and not necessarily money monetary. Great book. And I came across one video on this on YouTube, and the guy has narrated this book for 10 hours. You can imagine how deeply he would have gone through the book, and then maybe you can download it and see what it means. Very great book to procure, and very happy to gift one of you, few of you, any book that you see from my collection, and it will be a great gift to you from my side. Please don't hesitate to request for a book. Now this is on the business part, a great book again by young boy, Amit Agarwal. I had the privilege to listen to his talk in a recent NASCOM boot camp in Bangalore. He talked about sales. He said sales is a profession, not a job. He coined a word called salespreneur, sales like entrepreneur, and he described two very good acronyms, NICE. One is the use case selling for B2B or B2C. He coined a very good acronym, NICE, N-I-C-E. N for need, I for insight, C for communication, E for empathy. Very nice explanation given by him in the entire book, and worth practicing by all. He says sales is not just a business activity, it is an activity in the family also. He narrates his own experiences with his children and with his wife. It's a very good book to read and learn also. The next book is about the startup. Again, a great book. Lean Startup by Eric Hess, a great person from Silicon Valley. The crux of this thing is how to manage a startup from zero. And he said the bigger organizations should also have different startups within the organization, because each startup innovates things, not just copies or make product, produce product. It's a very good book, and I have been reading it very often, and I will strongly recommend the budding entrepreneurs to procure this book and read through it and try to learn as much as possible. These are just sample books that I have shared with you, and there are many books, and what I planned is to elaborate on each of these 4 books first in a detailed way, and give my own insight so that you can get an idea what these books can do for you. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll share my email and phone number in my description part. Please feel free to contact me through WhatsApp or email and let me know if you need any of these books. Thank you very much. See you again.